A cornerstone amongst your policies has been the whole concept of a sanctuary city. It's certainly at odds with, I suppose, the policies of the current president. Does that present a certain difficulty for you in maintaining that approach to
No,
immigration?
I mean, I think the current president we have in the United States of America now is not doing a good job. I think that his policies are hateful, they're racist, they're bigoted. I think, you know, in just about every single thing he has said or done is not what I think are the values of the United States of America, or certainly not of me or Boston. And I think that he doesn't make it more difficult. What he does, he makes it difficult for some of the folks that are here, some of the families, the kids that are here that are afraid of the immigration threats that he's making, that they're afraid of losing their mums and dads to immigration officials.